guys, my name is Lavenia Sadana NPM 19081010076. I'm from Informatic Engineering UPN Veteran Jawa Timur. Here I will present to you chapter 75 about adverb of frequency, time, and place like often, today, and there. So let's check it out. Okay guys, I will start present to you chapter 75. First is adverb of frequency. We use adverb of frequency when we say how often something happens. The most common are is always, usually or normally, or generally, often or frequently, sometimes or occasionally, rarely or seldom, hardly ever, and never. Usually, normally, and generally all have the same meaning, but usually is the most common. Often or frequently, between often or frequently, often is the most common. Between sometime and occasionally, sometimes is the most common, rarely or seldom, is the have the same meaning, but rarely is the most common, hardly ever, and never. So, position of adverb of frequency. First, adverb of frequency normally come in the mid position. The first formula is adverb plus main verb. For example, my mother always bring her wallet. Always as adverb and bring as main verb. Second formula is auxiliary plus adverb plus main verb. For example, I have never met Tata. Have as auxiliary, never as adverb, and met as verb. Second, adverb of frequency come after the verb be. The formula is be plus adverb. For example, there are always road. Are as be and always as adverb. Next, in question and in short answer come before the main verb. The formula is adverb plus main verb. For example, does usually eat meatball, usually as adverb and eat as verb. The second formula is be plus adverb. For example, are the photos usually funny? Are as be and usually as adverb. Next is we usually put adverb of frequency in mid position. Like sometimes, occasionally, often, usually, generally, in advance. For example, in the sentence is, we don't normally get to see each other outside work. But we can put this adverb of frequency in the end position or last position for emphasis, like this. For example, we forget to plan it in advance sometimes, like this. Next, we don't usually put the adverb of frequency in front position, like always, never, rarely, seldom, and hardly ever. For example, I hardly ever eat sushi. I never meet you, and etc. But we must put always and never in front position for before imperative. Like never forget to say thank you, always wash your hand, and etc. Next, adverb phrases usually in end position, like every day, every year, every week, every time, and etc. For example, he watched the movie every week. But they can also inform position if you want to emphasize them. For example, every year we go to the beach. Every morning I have a breakfast, and etc. Second is adverb of time. Adverb of time answers the question when, like when is your birthday, when we can go to your house, and etc. Adverb of time is like again, now, then, recently, once, nowadays, suddenly, immediately, finally, afterward, today, tomorrow, yesterday, late, and early. And there is adverb phrases of time like this Monday, last year, on Saturday, next week, last time, and etc. For example, I will go to supermarket tomorrow. I ate burger yesterday. I will go swim in the beach, and etc. Next is now, then, recently, once, nowadays, suddenly, finally, afterward, tomorrow, yesterday can also go in front position for emphasis. Like, for example, nowadays people expect companies to give to charity. Nowadays, in the front position like this. Next, adverb of definite time like yesterday, tomorrow, last week, and etc. don't go in mid position, but we can put this adverb in the front position for emphasis. For example, I got some bad news yesterday. You can change it to yesterday I got some bad news. So yesterday in the front position. The next is now, then, recently, and once can come in front, middle, or end position. For example, now they eat meatball. Now, so we can put now in the front position, or you can say they now eat meatball. You can put now in the middle position, or you can say they eat meatball now. You can put now in the end position or last position like that. adverb of place. The third is adverb of place. Adverb of place to answer the question where. Where's your house, where you come from, and etc. They include words like here, there, nearby, opposite, upstairs, behind, and etc. The phrase is like in Brazil, at home, and etc. For example, I work there, I live here, and etc. These adverbs normally go in at position, but they can come in front position for emphasis. For example, there are some people circle to find word. There we can put there in the front position like this for emphasis. Next, there are several adverbs in a sentence. The normal order is degree plus manner plus place plus time. The short vary as degree, well as manner, here as place, and last year as adverb of time, like this. So we can continue to practice. The first question, look at this definition. Choose the correct alternative, A, B, or C. An intelligent person, A, someone who knows always the right answer. B, someone who always knows the right answer. C, someone always who knows the right answer. So the answer is B, someone who always knows the right answer. Yes. The second question, a friend. A person who likes usually to spend time with you. B, a person who likes to spend time usually with you. C, a person who usually likes to spend time with you. The answer is C, a person usually likes to spend with you. This. This is the answer of friend. Third question is put the word in the bracket in the best place in the sentence. Mark the position of the adverb. We can mark with the star symbol, yes. Like this. The first sentence is the girl's name is Lucy. Where can we put often in the sentence? The answer is the girl's name often is Lucy. We can put often between name and is. Second sentence is she's been in love before. Where can we put never in the sentence? We can put never between she's and been. So we can say she's never been in love before. We can say the girl's name often is Lucy like that. So that is all my presentation and my practice. If you have any question, you can put in under this video. Okay guys, that is all my presentation about chapter 75. I'm so sorry if I had a mistake. Thank you for your nice attention. Goodbye and see you later.